Hey, Grandma. Yeah, I leave August 23rd. Yeah, I actually looking at my stuff right now, you know, I'm all packed up, ready to go. Okay, well, I'll talk to you later, Grandma. Okay, bye. Well, frick. Hey, what up? It's your girl, Michaela Grace here, and welcome back. Today, I just want to show you guys how to get ready for college for those of you that are going off to college to follow your dreams like myself. I'm actually wearing my college shirt right now, Wright State Raiders. Corny, I know, but whatever. Felt like it was, you know, yeah, exactly. So basically, there's 3 steps: packing, finding your roommate, and getting your affairs in order. So let's just jump in, and here we go. Jessica? Okay, hi, cool. I'm Michaela, your new roommate. Yeah, I just wanted to get together, you know, see who's bringing what and whatnot, get to know you. So do you want to like meet up for lunch or something? Okay, yeah. Wendy's. Where do you want to go? Like what Wendy's? There's like so many. Downtown Cleveland? Okay, yeah. Yeah, no, I can meet you there in like 35 minutes. Okay, cool. All right, I'll see you there. Bye. I still feel like I forgot something. Now to get some sleep. Set my alarm first. If you guys enjoyed this video and you like the skits, please let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and I just hope I made your Monday a little bit brighter. Comment below if that was accomplished. Comment below if you like that slogan. I don't know how you guys feel about it. If you like it, you know, I'll keep doing it, but we don't have to. We can switch it up, say something else, but you know, you gotta get that label, you know, like, oh, you want a brighter Monday? You go to Michaela Grace, you know, like, we gotta get that label going, okay? Yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye!